Okay, today we are going to change a zone damper motor that is not working. You can see on the board that it says zone 2 is supposed to be off. If we follow the wires from zone 2 to the damper motor that it controls, it is getting power and not closing. It is power closed and spring open so that when it breaks you still get air. You can clearly see that it's in the open position by looking at the Allen wrench here. If I push on it, it is in the closed position but springs back immediately. We are going to change this damper motor for a new damper motor. The new damper motors are a new style. They do not make these metal type anymore. Now that we have retightened the Allen wrench that holds it on, you can look at the board to see which wires go where. M1 and M6 are labeled on the board and correspond directly to the damper motor. No tools required. I will even do it with one hand.